Hello, dear car enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're featuring a brand new BYD model. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the all-new 2026 BYD Sealion 6. So, are the rumors true? Is the BYD Sealion U really going away? And is it being replaced by the Sealion 6? Chinese automotive giant BYD is taking a significant step to further strengthen its position in the electric SUV segment. Its 4-year-old model, known as the Sealion U in the European market, or Song Plus in China, is preparing to be replaced by an all-new model in the face of increasing competition. According to statements made by Zhang Zhuo, the company's Ocean Series manager, the Sealion U, which was built on the old platform and whose sales performance in China has been declining, is being discontinued. Its replacement is the Sealion 6, built on the E-Platform 3.0 Evo architecture and attracting attention with its next-generation engine. More advanced battery technology, faster charging, and completely redesigned design. The Sealion 6 is 2.5 centimeters longer than the Seal U model, and with a 2,820mm wheelbase, it offers a larger interior. Furthermore, the vehicle's exterior design bears a strong resemblance to its older brother, the Sealion 7. Things get even more exciting when we move on to the interior. We encounter details that hint at the Ocean-esque concept unveiled at the Shanghai Auto Show. A dual-tone sporty steering wheel, an enlarged digital instrument cluster, and a redesigned center console design are the main notable innovations in this model. The Sealion 6 is expected to have a starting price of approximately $22,000 in China and is planned to be sold in Europe at the same price point as the existing BYD Seal U. BYD previously announced that it would use the Seal sub-brand for sedans and Sealion for SUVs in the global market. Following the Sealion 6, the Sealion 7 and the Tang model will complete the series with the Sealion 8. More details about the new model strategy are expected to be shared in the coming months. We will continue to monitor developments closely and share them with you. So, do you think the Sealion 6 can adequately replace the Seal U? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the new videos.